Okay, what am I testing today? Bang. But why should you buy it? Hello Cape Town, and welcome back to Why Should I Buy That Car? What we have for you here today is a VW Amarok 2-litre bi-turbo DSG 4MOTION with 62,700 kilos on the clock. It's going for $599. Now let me tell you a bit about it. This DSG box is seriously underrated. It's just such a pleasure. It's never looking for a gear in the middle of something. It always seems to find the right gear. What else we have is leather seats all around. They are comfortable. What I like about this Amarok specifically is it's far more, the ride and the comfort is far more like a car than say your Hilux or your Nissans, or the Ranger would probably be pretty close as well, but this just seems to me to be the most refined ride. It just feels like you're driving a giant Golf 7, to be honest, and that's not for everybody. The Hiluxes, I would say, are more your agricultural sort of workhorses, whereas the Amarok buyer is more likely to be, I'd say, probably an executive. He's got a family, likes to go away on the weekends, but he's not using the bakkie for bakkie purposes every day, and that's where this thing really shines. The comfortability, the driving, it just feels great. So what are the features has it got? Well, it's a multifunction steering wheel where you control all your music and the phone calls and whatever. You can go through screens here as well. It's got full-on cruise control. It's got climate control. It has heated seats both for the driver as well as the passenger. Let's see, all these people seem to be so confused. One thing that I neglected to mention, very expensive extra, is satellite navigation. That's usually about a 25 to 27,000 rand extra. Welcome to day 2 of the Amarok review. Nice and fresh and early, time to get to work. So it's about 10 to 7. And I've had a bit of time to think, why should you buy the car? No, I say I've had a bit of time. So instead of actually why should you buy the car, the better question is, who should buy this car? And the short answer is basically anybody. Whether you've got a family, a big group of friends, or just enjoy getting outside. You can fit 4 golf bags in. You can fit 2 bicycles. You can fit a ton of fishing equipment and a tent. So it's more about, is this bakkie good at these things? And the answer is yes. It does everything comfortably and easily. And that makes it good pretty much for anybody and any family. So if you can afford it, this bakkie is something you should really consider.